All right, so the day is finally here, the BitSat Open exam day. Today is the day where you'll experience BitSat before it actually happens. This day is super, super important for you so that you get a very realistic experience before BitSat actually happens. You are familiarized with the randomness, weirdness, and the unpredictability of paper. The target of BitSat Open is not to predict the questions that might come in the exam. As you might know, that BitSat is a very unpredictable exam and anything can happen on the final day. But our job is to prepare for that uncertainty. And in today's BitSat Open, you are going to experience exactly that. We have replicated one of the BitSat ka shift, past year ka shift, in today's BitSat Open ka mock test so that you will get a very realistic experience. So before we begin, let me clear a few things. Treat this to increase your confidence. Treat this exam to build your exam temperament. एंड बच्चों की तरह मत सोचना कि यार इस एग्जाम में जो क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे वही बिटसैट में होगा, क्योंकि बिकॉज वी आर नॉट मैजिशियंस, वी कैन नॉट प्रेडिक्ट कि यार एक्चुअली बिटसैट क्या अनप्रेडिक्टेबल चीज फेंक दे. व्हाट वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट इज अभी तक क्या हुआ है एंड हाउ कैन वी रेप्लिकेट दैट फॉर यू एंड गिव यू द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस. So the questions and pattern might change in the final exam. So focus on learnings, focus on building the exam temperament, not the questions, because questions keep on changing from shift to shift. So what to do? Chill and relax. I'm sure बहुत लोग, you guys are very, very excited to give this exam and see where do you stand in all India level, that how much you are prepared for your BitSat examination. But it is very important that you remain calm and relaxed. Then only you will get the best result and ultimately वो confidence लेके you will go in the actual BitSat का paper. Do not have too heavy lunch or breakfast depending on the shift that you are giving. Be very positive and give your best. If you have successfully registered for BitSat Open, this is what you are going to see in the Fodu Club ka web app. Once you click on the BitSat Open wala tab, you will see this particular dashboard in front of you. And ये disclaimer पढ़ लेना. Disclaimer में it is clearly mentioned that both of the attempts are going to be exactly same. The question in both of the attempts are going to be same. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि attempt 1 is different and attempt 2 is different. Questions are going to same. Just make sure to give in your particular shift whichever is on the final day of your BitSat ka exam. That is important. And for that reason, two different shifts are being organized. So the very first thing which is important is that preferably you give your exam in a PC or a laptop. Avoid giving exam in your mobile phone. Give it in a system. Before starting the exam, do a quick system check where the test will perform quick checks of whether or not your browser, your system is compatible enough to run the mock test smoothly. So this step is very important. Once that's done and once the attempt is unlocked, you can start giving your mock test. I would recommend कि 8:40 8:45 से ही यहाँ पर आके बैठ जाओ, and the moment you see कि खुल चुका है टेस्ट, you start attempting it. Do not wait कि यार 9 बजेगा फिर मैं शुरू करूंगा या थोड़ी देर बाद शुरू करूंगा. Do not do that. जैसे ही तुम्हें दिखे कि paper is available, you can start giving the mock test. If anything happens, if let's say the test is not getting started on time, if there is any sort of a delay, we will put an announcement here itself so you can see that. और अगर तुम्हें कुछ टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टी आ रही है उसको कैसे सॉर्ट करना है, हाउ टू कॉन्टैक्ट अस, आई विल टेल दैट अहेड इन द वीडियो, सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. Also, when can you start the paper? As mentioned over here, the first paper is from 8:45 to 12 p.m. So इस बीच में you can start the paper anytime you want. You will get the complete 3 hours का time. Similarly for the afternoon shift. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम 11 बजे शुरू कर रहे हो तो तुम्हें एक ही घंटा मिलेगा. Even if you start at 12 p.m., you will get complete 3 hours to complete your paper. Now, this is very important. How to write the exam? Very first thing, lock the room. Create exactly exam-like conditions. No malpractice. Cheating karoge, so you are cheating yourself at the end of the BitSat exam. You will get nothing. So be honest with yourself and give the exam honestly. तभी तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा आउटपुट मिल पाएगा, तभी तुम चीजें सीख पाओगे, तभी तुम चीजों को एनालाइज कर पाओगे. ठीक है. अलाउड आइटम्स, वाटर बॉटल, पेन एंड पेपर. No breaks during the test. Sit for complete 3 hours as like that of the actual BitSat exam, and तब तुम्हें actual में मजा आएगा, तब actually realistic experience मिलेगा, which we want to simulate for you guys. After you are done with exam, chill. Don't worry. The scorecard and the analysis will be released later during the day we will release few videos, and one analysis video that is going to come at one analysis video is going to come after 8 p.m. So watch that video to completely know the level of the paper and a complete analysis of the paper of how we have designed the paper and made this realistic experience for you. Once you watch that live session, we will release your analysis as well as scorecard. You can check your analysis, do the analysis yourself, and view your complete scorecard properly. You do not need to waste your time and discuss the paper and here and there. After giving the test, take a short break and continue your prep for the final paper. As I told you, analysis video is going to come at 8 p.m. So uske liye be prepared, and definitely you guys have to watch that analysis video. तभी तुम्हें maximum फायदा होने वाला है. So if you face any issues, email at bitsatopen@fodu.club. इसी ईमेल पे ईमेल करना है और कहीं किसी और ईमेल पे किसी और ग्रुप में कहीं कुछ नहीं करना है. Just email here and we will respond to you as soon as possible. We'll make sure our team responds as soon as possible to you. Our team will get back to you as soon as possible and sort whatever difficulties you are facing. Remember, this is a very big exam, very big event. Thousands of students are going to give this exam, and exact number तो हम रिजल्ट वाले दिन रिवील करने वाले हैं कि कितने बच्चों ने एक्चुअली एग्जाम दिए. बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एग्जाम्स इन इंडिया एंड द बिगेस्ट बिटसैट ओपन मॉक and the first ever BitSat mock ever conducted. So imagine thousands of students are going to give this exam. So कुछ technical difficulties या थोड़ी बहुत problems आ सकती है हमारे side से भी, but we will try our best to sort everything. Do not panic. We are sitting on the other side and constantly making sure that everything is smooth and fine. So all the very best. See you at BITS Pilani यार. ये सारे कुछ meetup के pictures हैं. Your seniors who were there in the exact same situation as you are at right now and they made it to BITS Pilani. इनको बिटसैट ओपन का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिला, बट यू गाइज आर द लकी वन टू गेट द बिटसैट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम थ्रू बिटसैट ओपन बाय फोडू क्लब. सो यूटिलाइज दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इट्स फुलेस्ट एंड गिव योर बेस्ट. दैट इज सुपर सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट. सो कमेंट्स में लिख देना, बिल्कुल साथ में फोड़ेंगे एंड बिटसैट ओपन में अपना बेस्ट देना है. यू डू नॉट नीड टू गेट डीमोटिवेटेड अगर तुम्हारा स्कोर कम आता है. यू जस्ट नीड टू एनालाइज इट, बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन वॉट यू हैव स्टडीड एंड carry that confidence in the final BitSat paper. We believe in you. Give this exam like this is your original BitSat and तुम्हें मजा आ जाने वाला है, right? Wish you all the very best. मैं तुमसे मिलता हूँ once your paper is over, once your paper is done, and we will discuss everything कि कैसा पेपर रहा, क्या डिफिकल्टी थी एंड कितने मार्क्स एक्चुअली में you should have gotten for a particular safe score and for the top branches of BITS Pilani as well as for the top 500 ranks, so that you can get the best possible scholarship that is offered by BITS Pilani. ठीक है, विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. एकदम टाइम से देना, 3 घंटे बैठ के देना एंड फोड़ देना पेपर, साथ में फोड़ेंगे.